This video explains how you can install NVM, that is Node Version Manager, on your Mac system. So these are the things that we are going to cover: how to install the NVM, then what setting you need to do in your bash profile file, and how to execute some of the NVM commands. So NVM is Node Version Manager. That means you can install various versions of Node on your local system, and then you can also switch between those versions as well. So to install the NVM, you can use this command curl, and then this is the URL from which you have to install that NVM. Once that is installed, you can check the version by going to terminal and then typing NVM version. Also, you need to remember that there is one setting that you need to do in your bash underscore profile file. That bash underscore profile file, if it is not available under your home directory, you will have to create this file, and then you will have to set one global variable or environment variable. NVM underscore directory is equal to your home directory /.nvm. So that is where all the Node versions will be installed. And another line that you need to add here is source brew -- prefix nvm /nvm.sh. So these things are important, otherwise you might encounter some errors. So that is how we install the NVM. Now let us see some of the commands that you can execute in NVM. So here is the list of commands. NVM -- version, which we have already done, to check the version of NVM. Now if you are behind the proxy, especially if when you are working in a office, most of the time you will be behind the proxy, and in that case you will have to set the proxy for NVM so that it can connect to the internet using this syntax, NVM proxy, and then here you have the proxy server, port, and then user credentials as well if it is authenticated. Then NVM install command is used to install the latest version of Node.js, but not every time you need to install the latest version of Node.js. You can if you want to install the older version, you can pass the version of that node as well. So let us see how to do that. So NVM install, and then it will install the latest version, and then if you want to install specific versions, let us say 9, then you can do it like that, and then it will install that edition or version of the node. To see the list of all the versions of the node that have been installed on your local system, you can use this command called as NVM list. So you can see this is the list of all the nodes that are there on my system, and currently this is the one that I'm using, which is in the green. So default node is 10.5. Now to switch between two versions of node, you can use npm use and then version. Let us say you want to use 12.12, and then it will be switched to 12.12. So if you check the node version now, you can see I'm using 12.12. Switch back to the 10.5, again use NVM use 10.5, that's it, and you are back to 10.5 version of node. So that's how you can see what version is installed, what version, how to switch the versions. Now next thing that I want to tell you is how to see the list of all the remote node versions that are available. So nvm ls remote, that is the command that you need to use. Okay, this is the command ls-remote. I think it is taking longer than usual to list down all the remote node versions. So I'm just gonna end it because there might be some issue there. And to get the help on this NVM, you can use this command nvm --help, and they have given the examples how you can use this nvm tool. Nvm install, the version of the node, nvm use, nvm run. To run the specific app on specific version, you can use this syntax. nvm ls default, set default node version on the shell. nvm ls default node always default to the latest available node. So that is how you can use that syntax. Just remove the nvm directory folder usually. And to delete the nvm, you can use this way. Just you have to delete the directory. That's it. So that's all in this particular video. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.